and I offense say fat and set. Monica Maseko Aligai. Oh. Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to yet another amazing episode. I am Dineo Faith Maseko and this is episode 25. Thank you to those who have subscribed. I really appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. I am not here to tell you guys hore cohabitation is wrong. You guys should not cohabitate or whatever. I'm just here to tell you guys what the law says about fat and sex so that you guys are informed and live. Okay. As you guys know, my channel is all about lifestyle, love, and law. Law is something that is close to my heart and I am excited to be doing this episode. So Kenale floating shelf, floating shelves, and it has all my law books. Okay, so I am literally breathing and sleeping law. Like a law. What is cohabitation? Fat and set. So in South African law, this is known as common law marriage. But as we know it, it is when two people are living together without being validly married to each other. So now the assumptions about cohabitation is that if kenalamoto for more than 6 months, for more than a year, or even more than 20 years, hatlokofala ketlo inherit. Guys, this is incorrect. Ahona di benefits. This is not a legal relationship. There is no law that regulates the rights of parties in a cohabitation relationship. Couples in a fat and set do not have rights and duties as married couples do have. They can maintain each other, or I don't think it's an obligation, but yeah. But more fat and setting, it is not an obligation for you guys to maintain each other. And then a partner in a fat and set, if they die without a valid will, then our inheritance is zero. If you guys have a child together, I'm assuming hore interstate succession will take place, and then the child will inherit. So okay, is there a spouse? There's no spouse, there's no marriage certificate, there's no cohabitation agreement, so only descendants, so descendants get inherit. Okay, interstate succession act when without a will. So the act is a set of rules governing hore dissolve property or without a will. Okay, and then if there is a will, then get State Succession Act. Like one, as I said, there is no obligation to maintain each other. You can't claim maintenance. 20 years old. I don't know, so I'm claiming maintenance like a married couple will do. I'll claim it. And then you can't even open a joint account together. What will happen is that the account will be in the one partner's name, and then the other partner will have co-signing rights. Okay, until the domestic partnership bill is adopted into legislation, the status of cohabitant in South Africa will remain different from married couple. So a bill is proposed law until badumela hore yes, this can be a law, this can be legislation, it on na bill hona ka mkho. Um, but I have good news. There is a cohabitation agreement. You guys can enter into a cohabitation agreement. It is a binding contract between the two of you guys, and then you can do it verbally or it can be written. But obviously, but advice or it be written, it was signed also. And then this agreement contains regulations regarding finances, division of property, etc. Okay, failure to draw up this agreement, then you will have no legal protection. Um, like I said, there is a bill, a proposed bill, but there is legislation that does consider living together and marriage on equal levels. So basically, there is legislation that recognizes cohabitation. Okay, so it is, I'll name a few: Domestic Violence Act, Medical Schemes Act, Income Tax Act. So if there is no cohabitation agreement, you are only entitled to whatever you have purchased. So if maybe you decide to no Robert Thomas tlhagisane go fleteng, and then o reka di-sofa o reka microwave, then o mongwe lo mongwe o na le sa hae wa ntlhalaganya. So he le kgaogana o tswa le sa hao se o tseneng ka sona mo matlhalisane o wa ntlhalaganya ne. And then it is advisable for you must keep proof of payment. If there is no agreement, then keep proof of payment. Keep proof for o rekile microwave, o rekile sofa, o dirile so, o irile so, o irile so, wa ntlhalaganya ne, gore hele kgaogana re khona bona gore mang o tseya eng wa ntlhalaganya. It will be easier that way. In conclusion, I cannot emphasize this enough. Draft a will. Okay, draft a will. If wa itse ngwana batho a wa monyala ene sale o ntsile na 20 years e otle, make sure gore go na le will, gore ho tlhokofala o khona bolela mo willeng gore no a tseye se se ko baneng njani wa ntlhalaganya. If there is a will, then your property will dissolve according to the Testate Succession Act. Okay, also regarding the pension, nominate her as a beneficiary, and then if baka wa ntsha dilo tsa gago tsa di-pension, then ba tla kgona bona gore no motho moso is nominated, whether you guys are married or not married, motsentse as a beneficiary. Okay, taba e ya matlhalisane ke taba engwe kgolo thata. It is very broad. I was just summing it up for you guys. Okay, if you guys want to know more, you can comment below, and then or you can just Google it up and then wabala mula wa tlhalanya ne. But be informed ho nna le motho sebaka hore eng ke eng, because ha tlokofala ya tla family ya ba tlo raela go ntle kwa o tla bona re tswa byang. Okay, so I really hope this episode was helpful. Kind of a law episode, so I thought I should educate you guys on what the law says on cohabitation. So I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.